Hi everyone. Hi, hello. Alright. It's 2 o'clock in the morning and still awake. OMG. And guys, galing pa ako sa work and nag-UT for Gen Clean. And pag-uwi sa boarding house, naglaba. Tapos doing studies as well. And then right now, can't sleep. See? Life is so tiring. But we have nothing to do about it. That's life. So, let's fight. And let's keep on moving on.